na watch kakrani ana aduane a yema wo senior high schools wo mu die eho akwa atwe ma wo nya aduane ndi free SHS no yebo ho dawura no afei akoba se aduane a mofra ne bedi wo school ho no wo nya bi ni aduane ho ayenten to the extent say Conference of Heads of Assistant Schools Womo upper West region omo de kata abetoja se ni ade no aye ne de se sia no aduane a school ho no womo no e no be man kwara no afei se na public breakfast na wo ba wa fa sugar fabra fa wasichire na faba fra tombra no ana koko ana se semolina no ayaka no wa afu asichire bra ni adro no Womu kaya ka say by Ochina 15th another ben Ochina 15th right
yes and 14th
yeah by Ochina so womu nsan ka aduane a won be close down schools no
necessary ehia pa
adwada no adwuma die nso na kwasi kwaten ye frɛ no adwada no and as the professional PR that he is good at.
Oh yeah, damage control no come on.
Crash what's a brother? Aya nene nansa brother. Ministry ni shase wo mo ne bafa stock for shase no mo di nuane no akọ.
Okay.
Enra abanka newspaper see ba kokra so capture. Say Ministry of Education starts distribution of school food then to senior high schools.
Yeah.
Yaka say me bisa say Abena see sometimes some of these things are air share bufuo
about today abufuo de shepa
because this is a government o share bebre listen the point is sade no won to me obi anshaw
ye review
obi anshaw
obi nkasa yen cancel because of benefit
obi anshaw amafo nya ho mfaso pa obi anshaw sisi ani akwaduro yi bia na nka me de metimi ahwe me bawo metimi ato aduane ama no adi
yeah
enso se be aban se
ni nyina wa fa bode bo na aba ne se no be hu de nko no betumi afford no ne be ba ko he ne chobos mu enti na aduane ni ho no sa akwada no oni problem
Abena news cutter ye kra me where the anchor I say hungry SHS students breaking into chop boxes for food.
I'm be breaking. I'm not surprised.
Any cramming.
Maybe I don't know for bet me afford the in school na and so on called free no. Oba no dia ya ne chop box mu amana no oba na obi me so bi wa school kon fa chop box nko. CJ, ebi mo fa chop box nko. It is akwada no depend solely on aduane aye no amana wo school mu na watumi dia bobra asua de. Enti na akoba say ye omunyi na affect you no affect e bien affect e no
opani a oda chas ano e wo poye mantem
okay
ana paya na mete sa voice news nim just say aduane no enye den and me share that ka say Dr. Shine say Shine mama sa voice no na mo kasa is still rigid for na kasa no me hu sa so omunye mema enkreta bi di kan ba ya na omo tre se sabayan fa amra mu nuane ombe close school no enra akwowa eye story no ne dia be news of friend no omo so omo dia omo fa nkreta bi asa mai so ati ase is still region for
some na ye kan
opani ho jamfi di amete ye no
so ati ase enti no samonya kokudro obi nka se mo sabotage abayo ayen kwada no mo hu hia ye nya ban anya wo chance ni no
Abena we kura utie ni kasa mu a
aso otwetwe nsam ne bi ne
na ti say aduane no dodo no a enkoe yenti
yeah to adwene na adwene chire no mo no na hu fa yes indeed your school so aduane no bi wo ho a eni ho tokoso we cannot run the school again intino when as a child in India we don't have the mandate to close down schools you need to me yeah the NSA you better recommend it to our employers the challenges that the schools are facing already no more amunim dada and say yeah minister honorable doctor but jichum and sokra abeka or how nubi and okwanya or more faso and yeah the nyane na na yeke ni say ebeba na yetimi de feeding all and once your recommendation no echo no and no indeed situation no and yes was muka yeah call center managers schools so and I mean and since I saw a bit with the other and nothing that recommend the employers.
Into a recommendation of Kodaben
Abena
CJ.
One say a Jumano acquired my chance for no.
Pa acquired
because we also say, what can now we're at you.
Now, one train, yeah, and only to the beer, yeah, now
what can no, Abraham is say, and Jano, Abena, woho, and now one shut down Bapayon to Amazon the my school for no, and now so genuinely, and para, and Janino. I want to find out.
But first of all, Chester, almost yes, a cabes 100 million Ghana cedis. 100 million Ghana cedis, so, and sana yet to me, at the abridges agapono, and in Yanyan Quada Edino. But say no pay me bagana kwase nanka mede nkobo bi na ebrɛ sha auditor general report e ba ye 2021 sika 17.4 billion Ghana cedis ana enipa bia embezzle some beko ministries agencies department no na ye de dwuma receipt na ho contract sika bia na ye de sabo mu ana we sika ye say no anya bia no Ora Johnson akua mu asiedu a currently ono na ye auditor general no owo he in 2019, Yanim say Radane Domilovo, ne won sama Ghana for any be mo kan ya ban mu nsam ke kan ya de kwa wi achi so on kwa by force leave e kwa wi achi agenda dwuma fi ne sam no anya hwe 2019 otumi gisika 66 million Ghana cedis ade mo man no in 2019 ba bia ye gisa sika ni free ya no ye misa Ora Johnson akua mu asiedu say anya bia no enipa gisika ni free mo no o matumi atete wo mo ya tumi aye den ya prosecute om sha wo sha sa the trend na ekona 2016 no best 900 million cedis and no oman no elusu ye asa embezzlement na de ya bra 2017 12 billion bra 2018 3 billion 2019 asa hwe cost 5.4 2020 it was 12.8 billion cedis asem ba ye ni asema yanka sha de ani akwada hia oba stock 100 million no ya embezzle 17.4 billion cedis adan share CCA Ghana. Okay.
Penso ya ba beginin. Ene say IMF for ma be wi adwuma. Say ene 14th omo wi enra.
Omo wi enra.
Omo wi
na ba bi omo de akwasa sa first tranche kra yesa beka no.
Abena.
From Sapre de ko sa fi be ko na wi oman ne be gina he.
Well, the labor agitations are ekoso.
Ma ho pa anese for so do mo be gina.
You know the latest. Yes.
Ending of this month ya. What if na wonim de akwa? Bosumo ya wi ye. Nurse for nyina Ghana registered nurses Ghana Medical Association Dwaso allied for near de nyina kom ho aboma ma ban na kwose bosumo de toso aduonum 22nd ante hwe fra ban no 20% cost of living allowance nya wo so be start from OPD normal withdrawal services
abra
dia kwani o
kata ye kura mi ye joint health sector unions and professional associations
okay
na o shekrata no a eye akuaku ahodo beye enan
awina ewo apomudin
wo na wo makam ho abom kata o de ba enra
ya
no de kata no ba
of course
now Ghana Medical Association ya ba Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association ya Health Services Workers Union of TUC Ghana miensa ni otoso nan Government and Hospital Pharmacists Association
enan dia keka kono no
na wo makabo mu de krata ba na tiawa ase the Ghana Medical Association, Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association, Health Services Workers Union, and Government and Hospital Pharmacists Association, being constituent members of organized labor, made a request to government for 20% cost of living allowance,
okay,
for our members in the light of the prevailing difficult economic situation in the country. Unfortunately, like other members of organized labor, we are yet to receive a favorable response from government.
Okay.
We had hoped that the meeting convened by government with organized labor on the 12th July 2022.
Meeting no mo kwa na tete for no e work out no. E ho no asem no mo kai.
Panini ko kan bo so asem e na djuma kwa to ho. Okay. So we therefore serve notice to government as an employer.
Okay.
That if by 22nd July 2022.
22nd July and now 14th calculate.
Yes. 22nd no ebeye yawada next week. Yeah. If by 22nd July 2022 the negotiations of COLA is not completed, the aforementioned health sector unions will have no other choice than to embark on a series of actions as spelled out below, which will in no doubt disturb the industrial harmony within the health sector.
Okay.
Etoma shall say 25th to 27th July, no? Wearing of red arm and wrist bands in all health facilities.
Okay.
Then no much I said
it's on 22nd deadline no ebesi nyabo chana woche efiada. 22nd efiada 23rd memenda 24th kwasi then ne ju order pepper.
No much I
said the kojane bobo mo nsa no.
28th to 31st. Withdrawal of outpatient department OPD services.
Baby, I will yare now corner kodra, which we found when you want to ho. Oh, yeah, we are near Marco de Yama Biko Yamao, Bibi Fakona Kono, and one of services near on by withdraw. Date na CJ Diamano, your personal canon. Now, Faye, at the Demoana 1st August. No Montesia. Withdrawal of OPD and inpatient services. Inpatient, what do you know? Oma, Yadro Matoya Sabiano. So what I say. I was a Bibiana nurse for near doctor for so ya show no. One more say OPD no more withdraw services no. All my tissue from by hot ma. And once no omonko enti me da ya Sabiana me nyobi mehwemia. Me da hoje den. Me twese mewu. Se sana ban ne peso onye ye dia. Omonka me entie. Abena enro kronwa. Medical Laboratory Professional Workers Union. Ebobaba. Omo so so mo de. Ebobaba. Eni kura mi. Senior staff so kwa enra. Boba na ninyina mo no CJ inflation aka kete ni ahete 30%. Ye gina 29.8% aye inflation. Na media me say yesi ebre sika ni o man ni mu aban hia sika enti sika na ebi mu embezel no sa sika no auditor general na meguso auditor general so CJ Biso auditor general sa adenti na tumi a agana mamrade ama no ese nipa bi a wo ministry department and agencies a wo mu west sika ese sika no wo bra wo mu ni nkrata bi a document bi a echese sika na me yusu ye we nam de ye no. Why is he not going after them? Ye hunu de kwaso ye Adom lover person. Why is he silent? Adana ye ntenenka eto amu de so mu nya report no fa method masa. All right. Waji sika de bia na waji bi o ma ye hunu na ye mo ho amane abna mame no ase Ghana kwose ye fa ho ase na ma DBS na de quality supreme concrete ode eba na fe ode eba beboa edan no ayesi de ba so wusi dan ya blocks a udi be se dan no sandcrete blocks papa pavement blocks papa ready mix concrete papa ni nyina no DBS na ede ma bo tisha so worry no more ye de fidie ne ba be si site ho na fe ye mix blocks na ye mix concrete no na se edan no Guswa yesi no sima anamre kakra bim na wasidan no awie woni DBS entwetwen enkomo na womboa wo enkran hanoma hwehwe akiri kwan enkran Shine Hills Klagon na fe Kumase enkranza enso so ye offer hotlines 0501 677 255 0501 677 255 and 0540 659937. DBS Industries Limited, your roofing, concrete and steel solution.